Hi beauties, welcome back to our channel. Again, these may not be new items to you. These are new items to me in my collection, as far as like things that I could get delivered to me from Walmart. So let's get started. So the first one that I do have is the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow in Cream and Sugar. Oh, she is very pretty. And I really feel like this would be like a really cute, like, everyday palette, like a little bit of a shimmer. There's your transition and then your deepening shade. You can put this all over the lid and then in the crease. So I really fell in love with this actual eyeshadow palette. Okay, so the next one that we have, and these are in no particular order at all, just kind of randomly as I grab them out of my Walmart bag. We have, and this brand is actually new to me. This is the Pore Fusion Cosmetics in Emeralds, and it is a 10 shadow palette. I want to see if this is open so I can try and grab some swatches for you. But here's what the actual palette looks like. I think they actually have 5 different eyeshadows in this type of collection. They have like a rubies, a jeweled one. I'm not really sure about the other ones, but I only picked up 2, so I think there's like 5 in there. But I wanted to just, because I've never tried this brand, I wanted to get a couple swatches from it. Ooh, this one's really pretty too. And they are labeled. I think I actually did pick up this blue one right here. It's called Manto Metal, Radioactive, and then Russet. So they look very, very pigmented on my fingers. Again, finger swatches are not all that reliable, but I wanted to get some sort of a swatch in there. But as far as just like finger and hand swatches, those are really, really pretty. I actually cannot wait to play with this eyeshadow palette. I have green eyes, so this would be so cute on like green eyes, blue eyes, really all eyes, even brown eyes. I think this would be really pretty on. So I'm really excited to try that one. Okay, back to my bag. So the next one that I did pick up, now I'm not new to hard candy in any way, shape, or form. Oh my gosh, that's the one thing that I hate about drugstore products, is they tape everything, and it's like, come on, where this is 2 times the base shadows. This is Look Pro Hard Candy. This is Smoke Out. That's all it really says as far as the name of it. But here's what the back of it looks like. These are supposed to be bigger, like bronzer shade and shimmer shade down here. They do give you these little applicators. I don't personally ever use them. I generally just throw them out. I'm not new to hard candy. I don't think I've actually tried one of their eyeshadows, but I definitely remember like high school time, and oh man, I was definitely in it to win it with like their lipsticks, and then they had like a really cool mascara that I loved from them, and I really loved hard candy a lot. Here are a couple swatches. That really pretty sparkly green, that would be really cute for like an Easter look or spring look, or even St. Patrick's Day, which is coming up in March if you celebrate that. I want to get like this bronzer shade though. That's what the bronzer shade looks like on my fingers. Again, hand swatches are not really the most reliable. Here's again is what the front cover looks like. I thought it was cute and adorable, and maybe I'm just going into like summer, spring vibe. These first 2 right here, these are like pressed glitters. And then this is actually a shimmer. Not bad. Again, like I said, hand swatches and finger swatches are not the most reliable. I'm not going to say that over and over again. But anyways, for the basis of this video, we're only going to do hands and finger swatches. I have a makeup wipe right next to me. We'll just go from there. Okay, moving right along. So next, I did actually pick up this really cool CoverGirl. This one is the Pore Fusion again, but this is in the rubies. Like I said, I did pick this one up. I really like the warm tones that they have going on. This rouge shade and like this really pretty like hot sauce shade. Oh, I am loving both of those. Okay, hot sauce shade and Cheeto shade. Oh, I absolutely love them so much. I think about food all the time. I'm sorry. And then this one is that really pretty, like, ooh, it comes up rose gold. It's this one right here. It's appearing way more rose gold. In person, it looks way more golder, but it picks off like a rose gold, and they look super duper pretty. The mattes look really pigmented, and like the shimmer shades almost look wet. I think these are like, I don't know, $8.99. I will put all of the actual names of the palettes as well as how much they actually cost. Again, I did pick all of this up from Walmart as part of my series. So here they are actually hand swatched. Okay, so maybe they might not be the most pigmented, but again, not gonna say it, their hand shadow or their hand swatches, so maybe they'll look better actually on the eyes. I will definitely try them out. Okay, so now that we have that one done, this is from NYX, and this is the Ultimate Edit. And I'm wondering if it actually has a name on it. Oh, Ultimate Utopia. Here's what this actually looks like. And I actually picked this up from Walmart, which I was very surprised with. Or maybe I'm just behind in the times. I didn't know you could pick up NYX from Walmart. But I'm going to swatch a few shades. It does have like the plasticness to it, which pretty much everything here does. There are no mirrors in any of these that I noticed. But what I really noticed is that there's no names as far as like the professional ones did, but here are a couple of swatches of those. Those are super duper pretty. Here they are. I feel like those would be really cute highlighter shades. I'm definitely gonna have to give this one a whirl. Well, pretty much everything I'm gonna have to actually use. The next one that we have up that I found was from Revlon, and this is called the So Fierce Slight Flex 963. Here's what she looks like up close. I really like the design of these. It looks like it's kind of like moving like water. I really think that's really pretty. Get a couple swatches. Actually, you can swatch the whole thing. They look wet, they look sparkly, they look extremely pigmented. So I'm really excited to see how those actually play out. I did get one more from them as well. There's actually a few of these, but I did pick up this one. That's a dub, I think is what they're actually calling this one. Let's get some swatches of these. And here's what my finger swatches look like. Okay, so these ones I also did pick up from e.l.f. I've heard a lot of rave reviews about these ones, especially these ones in these packaging. e.l.f. stands for Eyes, Lips, and Face. If you're new to it, I think these are only like $5 or $6. I picked up, this one is called the Nude Mood. I'll take some swatches of it too. And then this one is called Need It Now. Need It Nude, sorry. Okay, so this one is the Need It Nude. Take a couple finger swatches of these. Just gonna go down a row. Here's what those swatches look like. My fingers are stained from the other palette, so I apologize. But those are what the finger swatches look like. This one is the Nude Mood again, and again we'll just go down a few, just the row here. And like I'm actually showing myself swatch. This one's all mattes. Oh, give me more of that. That one was a little bit, like they feel like powdery, but also very like creamy too. So I'm excited to see how they actually perform. Again, like I said a million times in the video, on the eyes, keep in mind. But as far as like finger swatches, of course, there's a lot of kickback in the pan. But I really like the aesthetic of this, how it's completely set up and very sleek and very easy to travel with. And I love like the all nude moment. And again, these are only like $5 or $6. Again, all prices down below in the description box. All right, so we are down to our last 3 I should have had, so I actually saved the last one, my favorite, for last because I actually really like this palette. But these two are from CoverGirl. I have not bought a CoverGirl eyeshadow in so long. I just saw these and I'm like, oh, I have to try. I need to try. Oh my gosh, I like broke in and almost broke a nail. Literally, listen, if you break a nail. Here's what the first one looks like. Oh, that's really creamy. Okay, very nice. Here's what those swatches look like. That matte was like super creamy. Like, look at that. It's just like, it almost feels like a cream. Like, it's very buttery soft and really big. Well, they all are, but really pigmented. I think I might actually really enjoy this palette the most. It's one of the ones that I've swatched. Like, that felt really nice on my hands. This one is actually called Queen Ship. So they are the CoverGirl Turn Naked, and this one is Queen Ship. And the next one we have is Sunset. So I wanted to get multiples in these. This reminds me of more like jewel tones, and I really love that matte shade in there. And then of course I'm a warm tone gal, so I needed my warm tones. This is what this one looks like. Here are those finger swatches. Again, they feel very buttery, very velvety, and very swatched. Very soft. So I think I'm actually going to really enjoy these the most. I'm really excited about these ones actually. But as far as like the aesthetically pleasing one, this one is again by Hard Candy. I tried to get multiples of the same brands just so that we can get a better like understanding and like a better grasp of what's at the actual store. But this one, it caught my eye the most, and I was absolutely in love with the packaging. I'm not sure if it's going to pick up on camera, but that is Marilyn Monroe. I absolutely adore her. And this is Hard Candy X Marilyn Monroe, and it's got like little roses on the cover. I thought that was super duper cute. And then there's like roses embedded in the shadows. Let's get some swatches. Oh, okay, come here. I think I messed it up. Yeah. I'm gonna buy another one. Okay, so here is what those swatches look like. I think they're really pretty. I think my favorite though, like this is aesthetically pleasing, but as far as just like the ones that I've swatched, out of all of them, the ones that I picked up from the drugstore or from Walmart are these ones. I almost forgot this one. Like I said, I wanted to get multiple from the like same brands, but L'Oreal didn't really have a lot at my Walmart as far as like things that I can get shipped to me. But this is the Brilliant Eyes from L'Oreal, and I got shade Blushing Jewel and 430. Here's what that looks like, and it's a shimmer eye stick. It's kind of separated at the top, you can see right there. So I wonder if I can just quickly mix that up. Oh no, it's gonna be separated. Okay, let's swatch these. But as far as like, whoa, that is really, really pretty. I'm excited to see how this actually dries down, because I've actually found out on my eyes, I don't know about other people's eyes, these actually really flake off a lot. So I'm really excited to see what that looks like when it dries down. But first swipe, very pigmented. It's got like a pink and gold hue to it. So I'm really excited about this. And depending on how it dries down and how it wears on my eyes, I might pick up more. I'm actually going to play with these. I'm going to dip into both of these and put these actually on my eyes, but I really love how these feel. If you have these near you, definitely pick these up. If you've already tried them on the eyes, I would love to know your thoughts down below in the comment section. But as far as like swatches, I really like these. And this was my absolute favorite as far as like aesthetically pleasing. I did really like all of the shadows that I picked up. Again, you know, I have not used any of them as far as like applying them as eyeshadow. I'm actually wearing Natasha Denona, her little 4-quad that I think came in like my BoxyCharm box. But I actually really enjoyed that. I had fun picking things out and trying out the shipping. So I think I might actually go to Hot Topics next. And then I want to try like Target, Walgreens, CVS, Forever 21 I think has makeup. I want to try makeup from every single place and really give you the deets. Because again, makeup, you know, of course we want all those really nice makeup and expensive makeups. And I absolutely enjoy Jeffree Star like to death. But there are other eyeshadow palettes that are great quality. Like these ones, I am pretty much flabbergasted by and blown away. Anyways, it was a little bit longer of a video. I tried to get through it as quick as possible. We had a little bit of a kickback with trying to get them open, but we got them open. That's the only thing that I really don't like about that, about drugstore. But we got them open. We got to actually swatch all of them. So I'm really excited we got to do that. And again, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video. Remember to stay sexy, stay beautiful.